A cartoon.
This is an apple with 2 stems.
It is.
This is
That's it?
on mildly interesting, one of the great subreddits. 23,000 upvotes. What do you guys think about this? You do realize.
Yeah, I just started thinking about how apples are.
Go ahead, Mo.
Okay. Every time you say "go ahead," Mo, my palms get sweaty.
Why do you think I say it, Mo?
That's so true. No, I was just thinking, how does this happen? They look at my hands. All right, that's it. That's enough.
It's over?
Yeah.
Well, the stem is how it's connected to the apple tree. I would assume a double stem would mean that it was connected at 2 separate points to the branch.
But then those 2 apples formed into, like, I don't get it.
1 apple, 2 stems, Mo. 1 apple, 2 stems.
Mildly interesting.
Normally, 2 stems, 2 apples. Does it have the core running in both directions? Ooh, see, people want answers here. Would the seeds be dispersed surrounding just the center? I mean, you want to know about the genetics here.
Mm-hmm.
I'd imagine it's 1 apple grown around another. Oh, Mo!
Somebody had my question.
2 stems, 2 apples, 1 apple over another apple. The cores would then go past one another. Well, this guy's got to cut this apple open. Like, that should have been an image set.
Yeah, we need to know.
That should have been an image set. Will, you need to get in touch here.
Okay.
As far as apples go, actually buying this apple would not be a good move, other than for the photo.
Yeah.
Like, this apple, there's so much core stuff going on in there. Like, how much apple's left over? You know how you have to cut around the core?
Yeah.
I mean, there's like a couple of good bites on there, and that's it.
Mm-hmm.